Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's are Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me again and thanks for being part of this family. I am here once again to talk about money, and we are going to specifically focus on sending money and receiving money and how we deal with that and how we say that in Kikuyu. So wherever you are, get yourself comfortable and let's get started. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we're going to learn is money. How do we call money in Kikuyu? We already said in the previous lesson, money is called besha. Besha. Some people call this besa. Besa. So you can say whatever you want. Besha or besa. It all boils down to the same meaning, which is cash, money, or money. Now, what if I want to send money? How do I say send me money? Domera besha. Domera besha. Domera besha. Send me money. Send me money. Domera, which is send. Besha, money. Domera besha. Or you can say, for the people who say besa, domera besa. Domera besa. Now, maybe I want to send money. There are many ways of sending money, but we are going to focus on two. So, these are the common means of sending money in Kenya, and one of them is via M-Pesa or via phone. So how do I say send me money on the phone? Domera besha vimoine. Domera besha vimoine. Domera besha vimoine. Vimoine is through the phone or just inside the phone. Ine meaning always like something or somewhere inside. Domera besha vimoine. Domera besha vimoine. Or you can say, if you want to say send me money via M-Pesa, which is very common in Kenya and one of the biggest means of circulating money. Domera besha M-Pesa ine. M-Pesa ine. Domera besha M-Pesa ine. Or domera besa M-Pesa ine. Domera besa M-Pesa ine. For those who use the word besa. Besa. Now, domera besha M-Pesa ine. You can simply even say domera besha M-Pesa. Domera besha M-Pesa. Now, the other means of sending money is sending money through the bank. Now, how do we say that? Domera besha fegi. Domera besha fegi. Or you can say domera besha fegine. Domera besha fegine. Domera send fegine on my bank or in my bank. Domera besha fegine. Fegine. Or you can say domera besha fegi. Domera besha fegi. Now, this is when you are talking about the present and you are telling someone, send me money in the bank or via my bank account. Domera besha fegine. Now, what if you are talking about the past, saying that you sent money? Nedirago tomeire. Nedirago tomeire. Nedirago tomeire. Besha fegine. Nedirago tomeire. Besha fegine. That is talking about the past, saying you did send the money. What if you send through the phone or via M-Pesa. Nĩndĩragũtũmĩire M-Pesa-inĩ. Nĩndĩragũtũmĩire M-Pesa-inĩ. Or you can say nĩndĩragũtũmĩire thimũ-inĩ. Nĩndĩragũtũmĩire thimũ-inĩ, which we said is the past tense. Like, I am speaking about sending money in the past tense. Now, what if I am talking about the future tense? Nĩngũtũma mbeca thimũ-inĩ. Nĩngũtũma mbeca thimũ-inĩ. Or nĩngũtũma mbeca bengi-inĩ. Nĩngũtũma mbeca bengi-inĩ. Okay, what if I am speaking specifically to a person? Nĩngũgũtũmĩra mbeca. Nĩngũgũtũmĩra mbeca. I will send you money. Nĩngũgũtũmĩra mbeca bengi-inĩ. Or nĩngũgũtũmĩra mbeca thimũ-inĩ. Or nĩngũgũtũmĩra mbeca M-Pesa-inĩ. M-Pesa-inĩ. Nĩngũgũtũmĩra mbeca M-Pesa-inĩ. Now, that is when you are talking about the future tense. Now, you send money, you receive money, and you withdraw the money. How do I say I withdrawing the money? Kũruta mbeca thimũ-inĩ. Or kũruta mbeca M-Pesa-inĩ. Or kũruta mbeca bengi-inĩ. Now, when I'm saying, sometimes you are talking about, I'm going to withdraw the money. I'm going to withdraw the money from the bank. Daddy, I'm going to withdraw. Kũruta. Kũruta is withdrawing the money. Kũruta mbeca bengi-inĩ. Daddy, kũruta mbeca bengi-inĩ. Kũruta, removing, like withdrawing in that in the language of commerce. Withdrawing. Kũruta mbeca. We have already seen to send is gũtũma. Gũtũma mbeca. Gũtũma mbeca is to send. Kũruta is withdraw. Kũruta mbeca bengi-inĩ. Or you can say kũruta mbeca thimũ-inĩ. Or kũruta mbeca M-Pesa-inĩ. Removing or withdrawing the money or the cash from M-Pesa or the phone or the bank. Now, we have already seen sending, withdrawing. Now we want to know, how is it to receive? How do we say receiving? Kũnyita mbeca. Kũnyita mbeca. Now, you've sent the money. You want to ask someone, did you receive the money? Nĩũranyitire mbeca. Or you can say, nĩciragũkinyĩire. Mbeca nĩciragũkinyĩire. Did the money get you or reach your place or reach your account? Or nĩũranyitire mbeca. Nĩũranyitire mbeca. That's how we say when we want to say, I am receiving the money, or did you receive the money? Nĩũranyitire mbeca. You can say nĩiragũkinyĩire. Nĩiragũkinyĩire. Mbeca nĩiragũkinyĩire. Or you can simply say mbeca nĩirakinyire. Nĩirakinyire. Mbeca nĩirakinyire. That is when you are asking someone, did the money reach you? Or did you receive the money? Mbeca nĩiragũkinyĩire. Mbeca nĩiragũkinyĩire. Nĩũrakinyirie. Nĩciragũkinyĩire. Or Nyoranyitire besha. That's how we simply say to receive the money. Konyita besha, receive. Or wokinyero. Okay, you can simply say konyita besha. Or you can say neshira kinyire. Actually, that's the best word you use here. Neira kinyire. Neira kinyire. Besha neira kinyire. They got to my account or I received the money. This is simply the word for it. Besha neira kinyire. I received the money, or the money arrived in the bank, or the transaction was fulfilled, or I got the money in my M-Pesa. Besha neirakinyire. Besha neirakinyire na ndathie koruta. The money got in my account, or I got the money and I'm going to withdraw the money. Gokinya na koruta. Gokinya is like they arrived. Actually, it's directly translated to arriving. Gokinya koruta. When the money arrives, you go and withdraw it. Gokinya koruta. Koruta bia fegine. Koruta bia fegine. Or M-Pesa ini. Koruta fegine. We have already learned about sending the money, withdrawing the money, and receiving the money. Now, the other word is to deposit the money. Wotwara besha fegine. Or wotwara besha M-Pesa ini. Or koriha besha M-Pesa ini. Koriha gotwara. That is simply depositing the money. If you are a business kind of a person, you deposit your money every other day in the bank. Whatever you sold, you put in the bank or the savings account. You just say datwara besha fegine. Koigibia. Actually, it's koigibia besha. Or simply just say gotwara besha fegine. Gotwara besha fegine. And how do we call a savings account? A savings account is called kegena. 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 Kegena is somewhere where you save the money, or it's a savings account. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to end this video right here. And before I end that, there's one word I want to teach you guys. Actually, it's just a sentence, and it's very associated to one of these Kikuyu local language, local slangs that people use. And that is when you're saying you don't have money. How do you say that? You say de moharu. De moharu. That's like a slang that we use in Kikuyu, simply meaning I don't have money, I'm broke, and I'm just as broke as a church mouse. De moharu. De, I am. Moharu, broke. De moharu. Sometimes people ask you, do you have money, or can you lend me some money? So you answer and say, I'm broke. De moharu. De moharu. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me tonight. Thank you so much for everyone who've been clicking that subscribe button, and even everyone sharing, watching my videos, and all those comments. I haven't been in a position to respond to each and every comment. I've been quite busy, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm going to work on that, and yeah, I hope I will respond to everyone as soon as possible. Meanwhile, keep subscribing, keep clicking that subscribe button. Make sure you also click the bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And until we meet again next time, I wish you all a blessed and peaceful week ahead. I hope you're safe wherever you are. Keep continue keeping the measures that are provided in your local areas, and continue taking good care of yourself as we flatten the curve against coronavirus. Till we meet again next time, goodbye and bye bye.